up, everybody? Right, today we're officially going back to the 90s. Although I wasn't around in the 90s. Yeah, I'd be dead. Oh, well, I'd never be around. So. We're not really. We just got this cassette tape to take apart today. Very nice TD key. 4 hours. It's quite long. Right, anyway, I hope today you will enjoy Take Apart Loads of Stuff video. Let's get right to it. Right, as you can see, there's quite lots of screws on there. I just need to undo those. Loads on here. Just chuck them away. Just chuck them away. In case you're wondering why they take so quick and they look like really long screws, I have actually already unscrewed these. That's not cheating. Like it kind of is, but there we go. Right. And this is what's inside cassette player. So that's basically the rollers. That's like the case. It's meant to be somewhere. What, is it all going to explode just because this is out? I was meant to blow that. Oh well, anyway. So this is the case. And this is where you... I don't know. Anyway, this is where it would all turn if you inserted it into the cassette player. That's not what you guys are interested in. You want to see this. I bet you want to see me unwrap this. You're in for a treat, guys. You're in for a treat. This has actually got something on it. I believe it has got lost the end of the series. Don't worry, nobody died when that hit the floor. Right, this is going to take ages, you do know that. This is a lot easier. I'll never be able to put this back on, I'll get killed for doing this, but... I've already got a load in my hand. Why does it keep rolling away? It doesn't stop. Slap the tablecloth everywhere. Come back, doggy. Come back. This is a faster way of actually doing this, actually, I believe. Oh, Lord. Oh, phew, I thought there was a screw in there. Right, I'm going to cut now because I don't think I'll undo this. This sounds motorised, actually. Don't worry, this isn't motorised. That'd be cheating, eh? They should make this a challenge, like bottle flipping or the Coke and Mentos challenge. Right, I'm going to stop there. But guys, right, this is how much we got. No wonder they say it's got 4 hours of life. That's incredible. So, I have been taking apart loads of stuff, and this is me out.